All right, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be giving you an update on the Nissan 350Z with the rear mount turbocharger. I just wanted to give you guys a little update because I know the content on this car has been lacking, and that's because we've been focusing on the Jeep project for the winter, and we're kind of in heavy preparation mode for that, so that's why this car hasn't been shown. Also, it does have a small issue that is more annoying than bad. As you can see, there's like this tray here. I know it's got water and crap all in it, but there is a small leak in the reservoir, and right where the AN fitting meets the reservoir, and every single time I stop the car it drops a small puddle of oil, and it's not crazy bad, but it's enough to be annoying. So I've been driving it a little bit sparingly until I get that fixed. Also, the G35 is still here. I'm still driving it. I think of my brother every single time, and there are parts that I'm saving up for. There's a budget on these cars, but we should be getting more parts in, especially around Black Friday, so there will be more content on the G35. Really special car to me, and this isn't going anywhere. But let's hop in the 350Z. We're gonna drive over to go film some more of the Jeep, but let's at least take you for a drive here and give you a little update. But man, I cleaned it up in here, and it just makes me love this car even more after you clean it out a bit. All right, guys, so yeah, I was just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the Z and why you haven't seen it that much. Couple of reasons. So one is that oil leak reason. I've been trying to get that ironed out, but parts are on back order, and it's been hard to find the right part, which should be easy. It's ridiculous that it's hard, but I think I have a lead on one that's in stock, so we should be good to go on that soon. Still fun as ever. Man, this thing is so much fun. Another reason I haven't been doing much content on the car is simply because there hasn't been that much light left to film at the end of the day. So I have a full-time job, and by the time I get out of work and I'm able to go outside and film something, it's dark. It's like completely dark. So I've actually attempted on like 3 or 4 different occasions, but within 15-20 minutes of filming, it's like completely unusable stuff. So it's a tough time for people who live in New England, because at 4:30 it's starting to get pitch black at this point, because we just had daylight savings, and it's tough. I don't have a garage I can really work out of, and really do any like driving reviews or talk about any parts. So I do have a list of videos that I'm going to be putting out over the winter, explaining the build, explaining the parts we use, giving you all those usable links. I've gotten a lot of questions about that, and it is coming. I haven't forgotten about you guys, but in the meantime, we got the Jeep project going on, which is taking a little bit of a precedence because we want to make it road ready for winter, so we can shoot some cool videos with that and also drive it. So I actually just sold my truck. So I sold the truck and I downgraded to a Jeep, but the downgrade's not really a downgrade. It's it really is awesome. I love having a little piece of junk Jeep that we can work on, wrench on, really have some fun with, and kind of learn new skills, so like welding and patchwork and rust repair and all that stuff that you don't get a lot of. I mean, there's plenty of it out there when it comes to building cars. There's tons out there, but Jeeps and off-roads are also fun things that I get into, and I love them. So if you're interested in that, we do have a Jeep build going on under Tool Time Tuesday. It comes out every Tuesday, and there is a playlist. So if you guys have missed that, go check it out. But if you're here for the 350Z content, there will be more coming, I promise you. Overall, it's been a great experience, you know, putting this all together and driving it. That was the biggest thing for me, is I didn't want to have a build that lasted 2, 3, 4 years. And it just seemed like, oh, I got a cool project going on, but it's never on the road. I want it on the road. And we're out here, we're driving right now, and we're having a great time. I'm sure there are some kinks that need to be smoothened out. As with any build that you guys do going forward, there's gonna be a learning curve. There's gonna be some trial and error, and you just kind of roll with the punches, you know, replace what needs to be replaced, and try and be transparent with the people that you know. You know, I'm doing this YouTube channel, not, you know, I'm not a mechanic. I've never claimed to be, you know, super knowledgeable on this topic, but anybody can go out there and start trying things as long as you have the help and the willingness to learn, and you know, be able to accept some constructive criticism, and you know, learn from other people who have done it before you. And you know, I hope that some of my content is helpful for you guys. If it is, let me know. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section, because when it comes to winter time, this car is going to be garaged, and I'm going to be making more informational videos. So let me know what you want to see, questions you have, and I'll try and answer that for you guys. So that's pretty much the update on the Z. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, this is just basic. We'll be doing more videos on the Z, I promise, and we'll get more rear mount content out to you guys here soon. So I'll see you on the next video.